or maybe an hour, wake up an hour earlier, so then you can have an hour to do the things that you need for yourself or for your business. So that is for me. So let's quickly go to raise your hand if you want to go next. Sino mauna? Ate Bem. Okay, nauna si Ate Bem. Star student. Go, Ate Bem.
Oo, nag-race our teacher. For many years, I've been working, 2 to 3 jobs. So for me, when this business was shared to me by a family, I told myself, how am I gonna do this job? I mean, this business, without a background and with the limited time. And so I started this online business while driving. I was listening to the free complimentary workshop. But I think the most important that I learned about this one is, you don't need a huge block of time. You need to be intentional with the time that you have. So for me, as what I mentioned, while driving, in the traffic, while waking up in the morning, before bedtime for me, during my lunch break, and even while I was I'm joining business team huddle, while I'm doing hiking, while in vacation, stuff like that. So you really have to find little pockets of time and be intentional about this. So that's for me.
Okay, raise your hand who wants to go next. Oh, Mel, another star student.
Candidate number 2. Anyway, so yeah, so yung ano din ako, ganyan ako nung 'di ba I started going back to how I started. So it was introduced to me 4 years ago. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay, wala pa akong time diyan kasi it's a different a different priority, and at the same time yun nga, I work as 2 jobs ganyan, and I have 2 kids, and now my wife. Sabi ko, I don't have time to do this. But what I discovered is actually it's not that time problem. It's actually a priority problem of most people. Kasi like now when I started, I said to myself, ay, kaya ko pala like 30 minutes here, 2 hours here, 20, 15, 10, 15 minutes, or even when I'm in the toilet, answering your leads, right? Answering your leads. So you make time to, because as I said, just making extra time, or you're able to make extra time for this because you know that it will build something for you in the future. So that's for me. It's priority problem because yeah, you can make time when you want it.
Right. Agree, agree. Okay, Ate Darl, go, Ate Darl. Naunahan ka na, naunahan ka, Ate Lisa. Naunahan ka.
No, I'm just raising my hand just before I forget what I'm having.
Okay, go.
Alam mo na yung gore. Makalimutan ko na yung gusto ko sabihin. No, anyway, talking about time, when they said, when you want something, you really will be able to, like, find some time or some whatever you want to be able to do. Kung gusto mo siya, hanapan mo siya ng paraan. Pagkaalanganin ka, you'll have all the excuses in the world para hindi mo siya gawin. Pero pag interesado ka, then, sabi nga nila ba, we all have the same amount of time every day. So, as what the candidate number 2 said, sabi ni Mel, it's not the problem of yung time mo, wala kang time. It's the giving the prioritization. Tama ba yung term ko? So, giving importance to what you really want to do. Ako din naman before, ang dami kong excuses, di ba? Hindi ko kaya to, I don't have the time to do this. I actually, even though I had the products and I've started, I even asked Nine if I can let back out. And then, again, going back to the why. So, pagkadating sa why, ay, may time pala. So, yun. Thank you.
So ako na.
Si Jenna.
Last na si Jen. I think for me, yun nga, I agree with candidate number 2, candidate number 3, na I think if you want to give a reason, you will say na, yeah, no, you want to feel stuck, yan talaga, you will really give a reason na you don't have time. But for me as well, as what ang candidate number 3 have says, na it's more of, if you think of your why, if you want a change, you will really do something. And I think everybody will agree time management, right? So time management, because we have our pare-parehong 24 hours. There's more that is really more busier than us kasi may mga anak, may mga pamilya. And then, you will really give a reason. But if may gusto ko talaga, may gusto mo talagang gawin, talagang hahanapan mo ng oras. Hahanapan mo ng oras kahit nga 10 or 15 minutes, gagawan mo ng paraan. Kasi meron kang gustong mabago. So I think that is something for me that I had that one before, but when we yung tumatanda na tayo, the more tayong nagtithink, then the more natin nagagawan talaga. Dami nating pinagagawa, di ba? Dami nating racket, pero at the same time may nakakasingit pa. We still find a time to mind something na alam nating may kabuluhan. Yes, we have time for recreation, we have time for family, but we also have now the time as well to do the business, because somehow you know that the benefits will also be in the future. You do one small step now, but I think the effect of that will be more greater. So the sacrifice that you do now will really rewards you. So I think that's for me. So Jed,
God.
the floor is
Yes.
yours now.
So agree. I so agree with all of you. Here's my take. If you say you don't have time, for me it just means that you are settling. Yun na yun. Parang okay. But if you want more in your life, no, this is not an excuse. Like you don't have time. All of us don't have time, but lalo kung may trabaho tayo, may pamilya tayo. As Jane said, we only have 24 hours, 'di ba? And Ate said 24 hours lang tayo meron, pare-parehas tayo. But if you want more for your life, you'll pick a 15 30 minutes from that 24 hours to put it in that dream of yours wherein hindi ka na magsisettle. So that's what happened to me. I thought okay na ako, pero hindi pala kasi it's so exhausting. Parang hindi na siya healthy, and I thought no, meron pa eh. May pwede pa akong gawin. So nung dumating 'to, I thought, okay, wala naman kasi akong idea sa online. Actually, I'm not even fan of anything online. Maano lang ako, marunong lang siguro, I know a thing or two about posting, but that's it. I don't have anything about nothing at all. Pero sabi ko, sige, because I want more and I cannot just settle like this. So I did it and I made it happen. And yeah, fast forward. So every little time, 30 minutes, 1 hour you put in what you want to do in your future, oh, it will bring you to a whole different life. So yeah, that's my take. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. And to sum it all up, let's see if I can remember everything that you said. So, knowing why you want to do something, prioritizing is key. We all have the same 24 hours. It's just a matter of how we spend it and where we put our time to. And last but not the least is asking ourselves, are we settling for what we have right now, or do we want to grow, and do we want to use our time in things that could actually move our lives forward? Did I get everyone?
Yes.
Yes, well done.
What's the
Okay.
most talaga si Jane? Ay.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so for everyone who's watching us, we have 6 viewers right now, which is already a lot. Thank you for being with us right
6
today.
million. Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
have 6 million. We have 6 million viewers right now.
Million
And
viewers.
if you can relate to any of that, or if you have your take on busting this myth, I don't have time, please feel free to leave it in the comment sections, and we would gladly share it or read it, or also maybe learn from it. So now that we have talked about that myth, I don't have time, let's just give everyone an idea. Quick idea of how many hours in a week do we work on our online business? So most of us here, except for Jed, who is now a full-time online business owner, we work full-time. So let's give them an idea of what the difference is when you're working full-time and doing this on the side, and also when you're running the online business full-time as well. So let us start with Jed, para naman
Ako naman.
maibig.
Okay, candidate number 1 naman.
an online business owner. So let's give them an idea what it looks like, you working on your business.
Okay. So before, when I was still running my business full time, actually in the morning, during my coffee hours, I use it completely. Hanggat maubos ko yung coffee, I will focus, I'll put it in the training. And then after that, syempre, so super exhausted na sa gabi. In the evening, I still find time to at least an hour. Because I really wanted to finish the training. Yung gusto ko talaga maka-move na. So, yeah. So, basically, minimum ko 2 hours a day before. So, and yeah, it makes a lot of difference. I think if you can spare 2 hours of your time from the entire 24 hours, for me, that will be more than enough to start. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Next, raise your hand. Nauna si Ate Liza. Naunahan. Ate Liza. Go.
I think for me, it varies, okay? Kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga, I'm still working full-time. So, if I'm working, in the morning, once I get up, after have my morning prayer, then I'll just check my email, check if about my leads, okay? And then if I'm working in between on my break, mga 15 or 10 minutes time, that will be fine. And as well, after naman ng work, sabi ko, depende, for time for me, 30 to 1 hour, or if talagang pagod ako, wala. So, alam mo na, rest ma. Yung parang I need to clear my mind and I want really just to relax. So that's it. But if I'm off, normally when I get up, katulad din ako ni Jane, hindi ako yung morning waker talaga. I normally get up mga siguro 10 o'clock kasi hindi ako yung straight na kakatulog. Talagang intermittent ang tulog ko niyan. So, from 10 o'clock until 3. So, ginagawa ko yan. So, after siguro mga ganyan, pag natapos ko na. Kasi in between, while I am also cooking or doing something, I make use of it. Yung parang nagmo-multitasking ako. I listen our mastermind, I listen on our drop-in, and sometimes as well our huddle. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. So, because by the time my husband comes, meron naman kaming husband and wife time. So, you really need to balance. And as sabi ko nga kanina, if you want to make an excuse, you can make an excuse. But if you want to do really something, then you will have time. So, I think that's for me. So, I think in a week time, maybe between siguro 3 to let's say mga 5 hours in between that yan. 5 hours. So 1 week yan. Pero in a day, let's say mga 2 hours din.
Well done. Okay, next. Ate Janelle, go.
So when I started this business, I was doing my IVF session, treatments for 6 months to almost a year. So I was doing it while I was working also full time, remotely. So I was doing it. I did my training. For some people, they did the initial training in 2 weeks, but for me, it took me longer because I have to do it between I'm half awake with the medication and work and all. So I'm doing it while I was waiting. I'm in the car while I'm waiting for my doctor to call me in the waiting room, something like that. So and even after that, I'm working still 2 to 3 jobs. I love what I do. So this business is, for people who still wants to build their dreams at the same time, working full time. So you don't need to stop what you're doing. It's still doable for busy people. So right now I've been doing this business for 6 years. So God has given me different responsibilities, but I still enjoy doing this business. So for me, there's times like with Jed and Ati Liz, there are times when I'm able, I will be able to do it 2 hours. There are days that if I only have 15 minutes, and it's okay. And it's okay with this business. You can do full speed, or you can do a little pockets of time. The most important is you enjoy you enjoy the journey, you learn, and you're able to give value to others. So this is what I love about this business, and it adds value to me, my personally, the training that I get from this business. I was able to apply it not only in my family, but at church, and also in the work nursing field that I'm doing. The leadership training that I get from this, very valuable. So, but the most important for me is, if I get overwhelmed, I just, take a break, have a mental break, and it's okay because this is your business. I am, the boss. So this is compared to all my other work, my full-time jobs. I have to ask permission to be off. But in here, I am the boss, so I can pause it, and then when I'm okay, then I can go back and do full speed. Depending on weekends, is my, yeah, I can do 2 hours or more. So this is the beauty of this online business.
Yay, well done. Okay, next.
Ate Dar, ito na, Ate Dar.
Nagparaya
Ano,
siya. Okay,
respect
go
for
ahead.
the elders, ha? No, for me, yes, as what they have mentioned already, um, like for example, yung traveling time ko kasi from house to work and work to, yeah, vice versa, is a bit long. So I'm using that time to be able to have a look at the training and some updates, as what Lisa was saying about leads and all that. And during my before having this business, during my lunch break or my tea break, you need to be using that one for chit chat. Sometimes I still use that one because they will be asking me like, "What are you doing?" Because parati ko nawawala. Umalis na lang ako sa grupo because I won't be able to do anything for my business kasi sa pagdating sa bahay, household chores na naman, di ba? So during sa break time sa work, I'll make use of that while having I make use I'm making sure now na instead of mag-iinit pa ako ng alam mo yung kanin na ganyan-ganyan, ano mga baon ko na lang yung mga hindi ko na iinitin so that I can make use of my time for break ko, to be listening to the training. And then when I'm at home as well, like what Lisa said, dif- pagka yung duty ako, iba yung time na maaalat ko sa work, sa business. Like for example, 30 minutes lang, or sabihin ko pagkadating ko sa bahay, I'll do another hour. But sometimes it's only in my mind. My mind is saying yes, you can do another hour, but my body is saying, Darlene, you're tired
Wow.
already. but it's okay. As what Daniel said, it's fine. It's okay. You're your own boss anyway, isn't it? So I'll just do it that way. And when I'm on my day off as well, pag walang gala yung family, as what Lisa said again, iba-balance. Kasi magdadrama yung asawa ko, magdadrama yung mga anak ko. Is it really the time for that? Mga ganun drama. So, okay. Kaya pagka day off na walang lakad, namamalansya ang nanay, but then watching my mastermind or watching my DDI. So, making use of that time. So, in a week siguro, yeah, let's say 5 hours, but in a day, iba-iba. According to the availability ng time ko. 15 minutes sometimes 30, minsan an hour. So, yeah. For a week, 5 hours. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, final candidate again.
Yeah.
So ako naman, so I would say maybe 6 to 12 hours kasi sometimes it varies because I work 2 jobs, so on top of I'm doing this online business on top of nursing. So some weeks I work less and some weeks it's more. Kaya ang gusto ko dito is every time like if I focus on high impact activities or income generating activities, and kapag off ako, but then like on days that I'm working, like 30 minutes here, I'll do my content, or 15 minutes before I come to work, like I answer my leads. Or if, for example, if I have downtime in the ER, I would scroll and see, what's the update. I would watch some updates. Ang masaya kasi dito, di ba, we have already systems in place and I don't spend dozens of hours and, time every week kasi, just at least, having 30 minutes a week and then having a system and, making it a priority. So that's why, I think that kasi di ba, like if we work full time, 36 hours to 40 a week. But when you're just doing online business, that's why, as Ate Jenna said, like it's your own, you are your own boss. So you pick your time, and when you want it, where you want it. So, and it's very flexible. So that's it for
Yeah.
me.
Agree. So, ang common trend dito is even if si Jed, full-time niya na ginagawa yung online business. But still, she's not doing 8 hours a day. She's not doing 40 hours a week in her business. And for us, working full-time, we just have to squeeze in an hour or two and maximum 5 to 6 hours a week. And you are able to grow and run this online business. So that's very little compared sa time na binibigay mo sa trabaho mo, which is 40 hours, sometimes even more than that or double that. So hopefully that gave you an idea. If you're still thinking about you don't have time for this business, we hope that we have at least made you think or change your mind about the myth, I don't have time. So now that we've talked about that and everyone has already touched on ano ba yung ginagawa nila sa 1 hour na yun, sa 2 hours na yun. Everybody has, some have mentioned trainings, some have mentioned DDI, which is in our system is daily drop-ins, meaning everybody shares their value to the community. We have checking the leads, we have a system. So now that we have mentioned all of that, let's quickly shift the topic to the business automation and the system support that this online business offers. So, anything that you want to touch on that and what makes this online business effective because of all of those things? Because we all know that automation is what makes this business effective, sustainable, and it really works. So, let's quickly dive into that topic. Whatever you want to share about it, whatever you want to encourage people to explore about business automation and system support in this online business. So let's start with Ate Bem naman. Since you've been in the business for 6 years, so you really have an idea of what it looks like.
So what I like about this business is that I have tried way back before I came to America 20 years ago. I did after my nursing. I did traditional business like buy and sell. So with that one, you have inventory and all that. So pag may bibili ng business mo, you have to be really hands-on. Pag hindi ka available, hindi mo siya pwede kasi kung you don't have assistant or something like that. But with this one, how can I do that business here? Well, I have 2 jobs and I still have, a family, and I still have, me and my husband are leaders in our church. So it's really hard. But with this business, because of the business automation, I'm able to do it, even once, because of the funnel and all that, I don't have to, track my you can track your leads and your buyers, but even if they, somebody would like to start the online business with you, I don't need to wake up in the middle of the night to help them out. Somebody's gonna help them out, and somebody's gonna share them, the system and how they can start their training and all that. So this is what I love about this business. And then the support, I have earned a lot of friendship offline. Online, I met you guys, half of you I've met in London. I don't know, I have a lot of friends and schoolmates in London, but I haven't met them, but I met you in person. I spent time with you. Sorry, friends. Yung mga friends ko dyan, wag magtampo. This is, because I really enjoy the support in this business. I earn a lot of friendship, real friendship, and the training. So this is very doable. I think my point is for busy people, in our community, if you've been, longing for something, bigger than your dreams, that you can do while working full time, this is it. This might be the answer prayer that you've been asking God for. So that's my take.
Thank you very much. Okay, who wants to go next? Raise your hand. Unahan.
Una,
Ay,
una.
no.
Number 2.
Si Jed.
Ako
sige.
muna. Okay. Actually, the reason we call this business in a box because it includes the automation and the support. So basically, we are plugged in a system that is already a done for you system. So you don't have to really start from scratch. That is the most what do you call this, significant difference of this business amongst others.
True.
Kasi you just have to plug in. And on the automation side, actually, ano ako eh, natuwa ako. I didn't know all of this automation thingy. Pero
Mm.
when I started doing this and then I followed the training, I was like very surprised. Oh, madali pala. Ganito lang pala ang ginagawa. And I don't have to like really respond to everybody like me, personally me. No, it's the
Mm.
automation that does it. That is the reason why it works for busy people.
Mm.
Kasi naka ano na siya, naka-default na siya that there is a back end, there is a system that will do the heavy lifting for you. So you can do the other things that you need to do, your work, etc., etc. That's why it works. So yeah, yeah, that is actually what yung ano nito, why it stands out sa lahat ng mga online businesses out there. So
Okay.
yes.
Thank you. Okay, Mel, your turn.
Okay. Candidate number 3 naman ako ngayon. Okay.
Yes.
Ako naman, I will just think about it this way kung paano ko na-juggle tong trabaho na to while working full-time. Ang meron tayo ay merong systems. May systems in place. And then, di ba, katulad ko, bilang ER nurse, we work on, we have protocols, workflows, tsaka may teamwork. Ganun din dito. Same in business na, as I said earlier, we work small pockets of time. And then you mentioned earlier as well na may funnel tayo. And then, Jan, you also mentioned that, somebody's doing the things, the heavy lifting on the side while we're doing other stuff. So, hindi natin kailangan magtrabaho ng buong araw. We just have to focus on what matters the most. So that's it for me.
Correct. Okay. Ate Lisa?
Yeah, okay. I think for me, I think what I could say is na yung yung founder nito, talagang I think in their mind, ginawa nila ito for the purpose na sa mga busy, sabi niya, busy tao na as what ang Mel have said na yung a small pocket of time lang. So ginawa ni ito kasi alam they know that I think everybody is really busy and it is really lifting a heavy part of the job na dapat nating gawin. So that nga may automation tayo, di ba? We have our website, we have your email automation para kahit busy tayo, it's also running at the background. Kaya di ba kung minsan magugulat tayo na kahit pagising natin, we have a pop-up in notification saying that we have a lead. So that is one great thing. So you will get up with a grateful heart na sabi mo, yes, normally so first, yes, yung na-mention kanina na the first few hours when you started, you have really to allocate more time because of the training. But once you got it already, ang bilis na lang. So I think that's one thing. And the support as well that we had from top to the lower, nandyan talaga. So hindi tayo iniiwatan. We have all the trainings, we have all the system. It's just really us how to utilize it. So parang lahat na binigay sa atin, libre na nga. Wow. I mean the same, if you have to do this, yung sa iba, they have to pay more to get this system, right? But for us, ibinigay na sa atin. So it's just really us of how we will do it effectively and use it for ourselves. So I think that's for me.
Well done. Ate Dar, final contestant of the day.
Ang final contestant, wala lang masabi. Nasabi na. No, kidding aside, for those who are here and watching us live, and for those who be watching the replay, these beautiful ladies have mentioned already about the automation that the system, our system of this online business has, and the only thing I can say, I think I can add to that is my personal experience of having when I first joined in, I always mentioned I have a newly found family in this online business. So the support and everything that my beautiful business partners and business owners, mentors, and coaches that are here. They have mentioned everything that I want to say about how beautiful this business is. I just want to add, yes, personally, I have really found a a new family with wala hindi yung I know I'm not sure if you know maintindihan niyo ang ibig kong sabihin na sometimes, diba, you're in a group that you feel like you belong. But then again, when you be together, mas maririnig mo yung mga negativity of life, of negativity of this, negative that. But even my husband is saying na, mas mabuti pang doon ka na lang sumama kasi I know what you're talking about. You're talking about business, you're talking about improving yourselves, and I don't want to live pa naman to, no? Sorry po, but then I'm just being honest. I'm speaking to how I feel about this really fun family. So yun lang. Stop na. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone for sharing all of that, because I agree to each and everything. And I have only been in the business for 2.5 years, and I have experienced the benefits of the support, automation, training, all the skills that I know now that I didn't know before, that I am able to use not just in my business but also in life. And now I feel like I've expanded the way I think about things. When I see an opportunity, I grab it. And I think I want to end this live by saying that the rooms that you put yourself into really matters. And this room right here is just a small part of a big community that supports each other, that lifts each other up, and a community that creates leaders, that creates millionaires. And we are all coming up to that. And we are all being inspired, uplifted, educated, and really transformed to the best versions of ourselves. So if you want to join this room of ours, we have all of our websites are in the screens right now. All you have to do is register your name and email wherever you're watching this one right now from, and that's it. That's the beginning of your journey. That's how easy it is to explore this business. So with that being said, I hope to see you all again next time. Thank you for joining us live and for watching, and for everyone who watched the replay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless.